Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Poseidon's wave. And we're going to be using the new product, Pineapple Push Liftoff. So it's going to be so cool. So I'm starting with H3O, and I'm adding 2 scoops. And another cup, I got some water, and I'm adding lemon tea. And some blue blast to the tea. I'm going to stir around the H3O, add some ice. I'm going to add some pineapples, some coconut stevia, a little water, kind of dissolve it a little bit, and then I'm adding the new Liftoff, the Pineapple Push. Add more ice. I'm adding mango aloe, and I'm going to top it with the lemon tea and blue blast. And that's it. That's how you make Poseidon's wave. Thanks for watching.